Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit menu item names in GoHighLevel. This is particularly useful when you want to customize which features are visible to your sub-accounts, allowing you to tailor each client's dashboard to show only the tools they actually need. First, open your web browser and head over to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the login or sign in button on the homepage, click it, and enter your email and password. This will take you directly to your GoHighLevel dashboard where you can manage all your agency settings. Now make sure you're logged into your agency account, not a sub-account. This is important because the features we're about to adjust can only be controlled at the agency level. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. You'll see an option called Sub-Accounts. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page that displays all the sub-accounts under your agency. On the sub-accounts page, browse through the list to find the specific sub-account whose menu items you want to edit. Once you've identified the right one, click on the vertical 3 dots next to that account. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Manage Client. This opens up the management interface for that particular sub-account. Inside the sub-account management page, look at the top menu bar and click on Features and Limits. This section shows you all the available features that are currently enabled for this sub-account. For this example, let's modify one of the most visible features. Click on Launchpad to remove its blue highlight. This action disables the Launchpad feature for this sub-account, meaning it won't appear in their menu. Once you've made this change, scroll down and click Save at the bottom of the features list. Now navigate to that sub-account's dashboard to verify that the changes have taken effect. You should notice that the Launchpad menu item is no longer visible. To demonstrate the flexibility of this feature, let's revert the change. Head back to the same sub-account's Features and Limits page, click on Launchpad again to re-enable it, and hit Save. Through this process, you can fully customize each sub-account's menu by adding or removing feature availability. This gives you complete control over what your clients see and access, helping you create a cleaner, more focused user experience tailored to each client's specific needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.